Hello and welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to be doing another paper flower. I'm going to be doing this one, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it onto a stalk, onto a skewer, rather than onto a canvas backing. Okay, I'll also show you how to make the leaves again. Okay, so what we're going to need is we're going to need a skewer. We're going to need some green paper for the leaves. We're going to need two different shades of paper because as we have a look at this flower, we've got two different shades there. These shades are slightly different to the ones I'm using. Glue dots to stick it onto our skewer, a pair of scissors, a pencil to draw around, and I'm just using the double-sided tape as a template for the size of the flower. Okay, so we need six circles of each shade. So the easiest way I've found to do that is to fold them into three. So over and over and fold again. There we go. And the same with the other one. Over and over and fold again. Just move that green paper, excuse me, out of the way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw around the middle of the tape. So we've got our circle and we can cut that out. There we go, and there we have our 6 circles. And we're going to do the same with the other shade, the other colour, around the middle, and cut that out. So there's our 6 circles of that colour. I'm going to put the lighter ones on the top. And for speed, I'm going to use a stapler to attach these together. You can use Pritt Stick, but you're going to have to wait until it's absolutely completely dry, otherwise everything's going to slide about. Glue dots may work, but they're going to make it really thick in the middle. So I'm just going to use a stapler. So work out where the middle is and staple it through. And then do one the other way, so we've got a sort of cross in the middle. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our scissors and we're going to snip about 1/2 centimetre. Okay, and then the same width away, about 1/2 centimetre, and we're going to do that all the way round. Don't worry if these aren't too neat, because when we open it up you won't notice that. And the reason we're snipping is just to give the flower a little bit more body. If we didn't snip, we'd still have a flower shape, but it wouldn't quite look the same as with the snips. See where the end is? There we go, there we go. And we've snipped all the way around. Okay, so our next job is to take it one sheet at a time, and because we've cut it, they are going to stick together a little bit, but one sheet at a time, and pull them together in the middle. Okay, just scrunch them together just like that. There we go, that's our first one. And we're going to do that all the way around. One sheet at a time, one layer at a time. There we go. And remember, each time scrunch it up really well in the middle. There we go. So we can see our flowers starting to form. Remember, keep scrunching it. It looks a little bit like a carnation. And we're nearly down to our second colour. They need to be done, oh excuse me, they need to be done individually, each layer, because then we get different creases, different scrunchies in it. There we go, and that's the first colour done. See that? It's starting to look a little bit like a carnation. On to our second colour. Start scrunching that up like that. There we are. Keep going till you get to the last layer. There we go. There we go. And we're going to leave the last layer down. Okay, and then open it out just a little bit so we get the full body of the flower. There we go. There we are, and there's our flower. Okay, so in order to stick it onto our skewer, we're going to use another circle, and again I've used the inside of the tape to cut this out, and I'm going to use glue dots to stick it on. Okay, and I've already put lots of glue dots on here just to save a little bit of time. You can see it's already sticking to me. I'm going to put a couple of glue dots onto the skewer. So what I do is I just roll it over the glue dot. There we go. And another one a little bit further down. Actually I might do another one so we've got plenty on this one because it's quite a heavy flower, this is. There we go. And then we're going to stick that onto the back that's already got the glue dots on, and then we're going to pop our flower on and then just press that down. Okay, press it from the using the bottom layer. There we go, and then just fluff that out again. There we go, and that's our second flower. Okay, I'm just going to show you the leaves to pop on. So we're going to fold our piece of green paper in half. Okay, and then we're going to mark our leaf shapes out. I don't know if you can see, I've already marked those out there. Okay, if we do it so it's folded in half and mark it on the fold, we get a nice symmetrical leaf. So I'm just going to cut those out. There we are. So to get this veining on these leaves, you can see I've used lots of different sizes here, but I've just used these two for this one. So to get the veining, what we do is we fold along the fold. Okay, so there's our fold this side, and we fold it over, and then we keep folding it back on itself. Okay, I'll just show you that again. We fold it over, so it's almost at a right angle. Fold it back and keep folding it over itself until we get to the end. There we go. We open this out, there we go. There we are, and we can see the veins on the leaves. Okay, just show you again with the other one. Fold it over itself and keep folding it back. And what we're aiming for is a fairly straight line. Okay, so these folds are quite narrow. fold it back. There we go. We've got quite a nice straight line either side. Open it out. Crikey, this one doesn't want to open. There we go. There we are. And then we've got the veins on the leaves there. Okay, so I'm just going to pop whatever I've done with the double, there it is. Pop a little bit of double-sided tape onto the bottom of each one. And then we're going to use that to stick them to the stalk. Okay, so just take the backing off the double-sided tape. Do it so it's at a bit of an angle. Pop it on and then just wrap that around like that. There we go. And then you can fold your leaf out to the angle that you want it out. Same with the next one. There we go. There we go, and there's our finished flower. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can join me again soon.